Mike texted me this morning.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. Said there's good stuff and there's a lot of it.
Back red bitter rocks.
The auctioneers that are doing it, they go fast.
Yeah, they'll probably split.
Yeah, they usually do 2 rings, but they go fast. They don't mess around.
Yeah, these small town auctions are often social events. It's already busy, Marcie.
I know. Are you gonna go get a number?
Oh yeah. Holy schmackles.
It's gotta be better than
There's a porta potty in the corner.
They're almost fancier than me. Yeah.
I need this.
What's the rest of the fine? Oh, I know what you mean. Yeah.
Leave it alone. Morning. Yeah, it's already warm.
already is a warm one.
Morning.
Hello.
Enjoy Munson Porta Potties. And hey, if there's a long line, we do have a backup.
It's in my scope. Like the scale to have on the
Yeah, I know. I mean, all that stuff. All that stuff.
matches that kitchen stuff you see all the time with the red wood animals.
Oh, really?
Green and brown.
Yeah. I
I
mean,
buy it.
yeah. Right.
I love
you
these.
know. I mean, that's for me.
Count me in.
thing never ends. Cash boxes. Gonna be a good one. There's Mike walking around like he knows what's going on.
He's following me around. Okay, give me the creeps.
I was just talking trash about you on my video too.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. For shaving.
What the heck?
There's the whole shaving
$2. Some for dollars right over here, sir, on 39. Dollar bill on 39, Michael, go ahead. Choice on dandy jewel boxes, you bet. Take your pick. 2.5 and go on those, Mike. 250. Pardon? That is a Kennedy. 2.5 and now 5. It'll be 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 now 2.5, 5, 7.5. I get 5. 7 minutes, 7.5, 5, and 10.
Signs left here. 10 to start. I get 10, 10, 5, 50, 15, 20, 50, 20, 5, 20, 5, 20 bid, 25, 25. Sold at 20 even on number 57.
All right, $5 for the pair, sir. 2.5. Split the difference with you now. 5. It'll be now 5. It'll be 7.5. 5. You getting them both. 7.50. I got 5. 7.5. 10. 10. We get down to 10. 12.5. 12. 12.5. You gonna do her? 12.50. Thank you for your help. Sold at 10.
The car is very full. Spent $170. Most of it was Marcie's stuff. I only spent like 14. This is my favorite purchase of the day.
Oh, my arm hurts.
Glass, what do you call them? Lampshades?
Yeah.
Whole box of them. Plus there is a lantern in there as well.
Yeah, is there oil in the bottom of that?
Yeah.
That's kind of weird.
Milk glass and others. Vintage. And I spent $1 for the lot that included this and a bunch of cheese boxes. And then the guy next to me gave me $2 for the cheese boxes. So this was negative $1. I got paid to take this away, and there's...
It's like couponing.
Yeah, there's decent money in here. This was 3 lots. 1, 2, 3 of Packard. 1 was Packers and 2 was Badgers. Memorabilia.
Nice. And how much was that? Did you say?
I think I paid $3 a box.
Oh.
Programs from the Rose Bowls.
And that was for the Badgers, I'm
for the
assuming?
Badgers, yeah.
That's cool.
And Packard, you know, Brett Favre's book, Sports Illustrated with the with Ron Dane on it. Oh,
One
Ron
of the
Dane.
best Badgers ever.
Yeah. Here we have linens that Marcie bought. And
There's the shot glasses.
they came with a bunch of shot glasses.
No, the linens did not come with the shot glasses. The linens came on their own. I separated the linens out to try to, because we got a lot of glass today.
Yeah.
So I was trying to buffer so it wasn't getting bounced around so much.
We bought decorative bottles for $30.
Decorative?
Yes.
Decorative, okay. Well, good. You won't mind if I drink it then.
You can drink it. So what's good in this box of linens?
Oh, these are just
randoms.
well, they're Lands End. It's Coming Home Lands End. They're vintage. And there's some linens up here. Same thing. Lands End Home.
This you paid $1 for,
Yeah.
right? That's a nice little lamp.
It is.
Oh yeah, pull that down.
And this I paid $2.50 for it. How do you open it?
I think you're on the right page right there. So you can slip a couple bottles over there.
Yeah. I wonder what was supposed to be here. A flask?
Maybe. That's pretty fancy.
Yeah, it is.
I have sold these before.
Travel bars. So yeah, that was $2.50, and then I didn't want the shot glasses, but they came with it. This was just JCPenney Coming Home. But JCPenney had nice home stuff. So yeah, I don't know if this is vintage.
Oh, I want to see this vintage jacket you picked up.
Careful, glass. So this is
Fuzzy.
yeah.
What is that? You put that around your neck?
Fields of Milwaukee.
Like Marshall Fields?
Stinks. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, did it come off the? Oh, it came off the cuff. Well, at least they kept it though.
Yeah.
This feels like wool.
Paid a couple bucks for this. Playing cards, vintage playing cards. Got some old poker chips too. And some big dice from casino. This chess and checkerboard actually came with those cards. It's stone of some kind, but I'll bet you this weighs 4 pounds. Stuff.
No, this is Chanel. This is, I'm guessing, a baby blanket. Looks like it was probably for a crib.
Okay.
So, these I paid $1 for. They're from Germany. It's hand painted.
Gonna sell them individually, or?
I don't know. I guess you'd probably sell them in a lot. Looks like there's a little scratch on that, but I don't know. I thought there's gold on the inside there. It's got to be worth more than $1.
Make a good ashtray if nothing else.
It's got that tray to go with it too.
Nice.
It's Department 56. Animated village animated ice skating pond. Just looking to see if there was a year on there. So this, I paid a guy $5 for it because we were bidding against each other.
Oh, this was with the other lamp.
The shades, yeah.
Okay.
That's a what do they call it?
Lampshade.
Yeah.
So Marcie asked me to try to get this box of gooseberry books. They're recipe books, right? Or cookbooks?
Yeah, I think some of them have crafts in them. I don't know if they're... I think they have a little bit of everything.
Gooseberry patch. And then we split up, and I never did ask her what to get them for, but I was able to get them for $1 for a whole box of them, so... I got 2 boxes of tools for $1 to $3 each. I don't remember. This was one of them. Just a pry bar and a vise that I'll probably use myself. Found my other box of tools. There's a lot of things in here I can list right away and sell. A plumb bob.
This was part of a box that I had to take it because I wanted something else.
Oh.
But it's brand new. It's Bed Bath & Beyond. And there's 2 of these somewhere.
Cool.
So I can sell these too.
This is a brass washboard that somebody made into a cork board. The Federal Washboard Company.
Are you going to take the cork board off? Or are you just gonna leave it?
I think I am, just because it's damaged anyway.
Yeah.
And this is for my new VCR. Oh, that is fancy. I hope it works.
Oh.
Oh, it's even got the... I lost some footage. The bulk of what was in the car and the bulk of what we spent our money on was Fostoria glassware. So it's all in here in the crazy eBay room. And I'll show you what I can. I don't know anything about this stuff. Do you? I didn't think so. This is Fostoria. There's some paperwork that came with it. Fostoria American. We got everything you can think of, from teacups to whatever that is. There's dessert cups. There's you know, all kinds of dishes. And what are you finding anything good there, buddy? That's great. You know, candy dishes and trays, and I don't know what that is, pie pans. There's dinner plates, dessert plates. You saw that stuff. In here is 2 cake stands. They need to be glued back together. They're not broken. The glue that holds the pedestal to the top, though, we think just on that hot day of the auction, the glue just came apart. So they're not damaged, they just need to be re-glued. But those 2 cake stands, I'm assured, are worth as much as we paid for everything. So, but you can see there's, you know, all these boxes have Fostoria in it. So, be afraid. You got anything to say? Nope. So, yeah, I just had to shoot some quick footage to show you the Fostoria. And it's something to watch out for, because when I saw this, I just kept walking. Because these are, like, when I was a kid, my mom had glass that looked a lot like this. And we see that stuff all the time, and it's not worth anything. Or not worth much. But the Fostoria is kind of a high-class glass. Thanks for coming by. Make sure you floss daily. This week, the Beardo's auction will not be on Wednesday night. We're pushing it to Saturday night. Still be on Nady Pie's channel. Please join us. We're hoping for a big crowd. Selling stuff that we found recently. Maybe something you saw in this video. Clean in all your crevices. Also on my channel this week, we're having the Beardo show on my live channel, not this channel. So check that out too if you like immature talk for mature audiences. I guess that's it. Thanks again. Have a great one. Bye. Action. It's hot and we're tired. My hair's probably crazy. But I don't care. I just want to get this stuff out of the car.
You should have turned.
Yeah.
Back in town.
That's what, I mean, all roads get there.
All roads lead to Belmont.
Eric's one of my heroes, but if we can avoid going where he goes, it's usually best.
He's my nemesis.
I paid $1 for a huge lot that included this and a bunch of cheese boxes. Hi. It is cute. It's so cute. Oh. What?
Get unloaded.
Well, then you'd video. Hi, everybody. One of the best packers ever. And then a whole stack of newspapers with Badger stuff on it. So,
Ron Dano's Badger.
Decorative bottles.
Mm-hmm.